Hey, good morning. It's Mike with Honeybee Acres, and I want to welcome you to the vlog today. And check out these guys behind me. You know what those are? Let me see if I can I zoom in on this thing? Hold on. These are wild turkeys that live by us. I get to see them every morning. Look how many there are. Just in time for Thanksgiving. And I love these guys. It's amazing. Man, life is beautiful, isn't it? So cool. Anyways, I was just dropping the kids off to school and saw these turkeys, and I thought, you know, I'm gonna stop and put that in the vlog because that is just so stinking awesome. So anyways, we're getting to the garden post today. We're gonna have some cool stuff going on. Check out the vlog. Glad you're here. Let's get this done. Let me knock these out of the way. Yeah. So you're gonna want to go a little bit to the left. Okay, straight ahead. Okay, forward. Yep. It's good. Okay. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back. We are on day, well, not really 2, but day 3 on this little project of the garden post holes. We had a storm coming. I don't know if you can tell or not, but we had a pretty good sized rainstorm coming, so we needed to get them done quickly. I didn't record much of actually getting the posts in, but we got them all in. This is a project several years in the making. This garden space is about 100 by 60, 100 by 50, something like that. So, man, I finally got that done. I know I've been talking about it for literally years, but we finally got this project done. Thank heavens. Now, hopefully before the snow hits this year, which we have, I mean, it actually could snow next week. I'd really like to get the trench dug for the water and for the power that's supposed to be that I want to run to the garden. And then gosh, it'd be really nice if we got it fenced, but I don't think we're going to get it fenced until next spring. But the winter, in the winter, we'll start building the planter boxes. I think we're going to go with the planter box design, at least for half the garden here starting out. So anyways, that's where we ended up. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this content, you might want to consider liking and subscribing. Got lots of other videos similar to this. And with that, thank you so much. We'll see you on the next video. One more. Right there.
How bad am I?
Maybe just a skosh back. That's good.